Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very simple chocolate chip and mango cake which is made with whole wheat flour. It's very simple, very easy, and it's quite healthy. So let's get started. For this cake, we are going to be taking 2 mangoes, whole wheat flour, I have milk powder, and I will take the balance of the chips and I will just sprinkle it on top. And set it into the preheated oven to bake for about 25 to 30 minutes. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।